Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Instagram for freelance branding, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by defining your brand identity. Identify what makes you unique as a freelancer. Choose a consistent color palette and typography. Create a compelling bio that clearly states your services. Use a recognizable profile picture, ideally a professional headshot. Switch to a business account to access analytics and promotion tools. Plan your content around key themes relevant to your services. Use high-quality images and videos to showcase your work. Incorporate storytelling to connect with your audience. Post regularly to maintain visibility on the platform. Utilize Instagram stories to share behind-the-scenes content. Engage with your audience through comments and direct messages. Collaborate with other freelancers or brands to expand your reach. Use relevant hashtags to categorize your content effectively. Monitor your Instagram analytics to understand what works. Adjust your strategy based on audience engagement and insights. Create a content calendar to stay organized and consistent. Leverage user-generated content by sharing testimonials or reviews. Highlight your projects and achievements in your posts. Keep an eye on trends and adapt your content accordingly. Use Instagram Live to host Q&A sessions or tutorials. Encourage followers to interact with polls and questions in stories. Showcase your personality to build relatability and trust. Network with potential clients by following relevant accounts. Participate in conversations in your niche to build industry presence. Establish a unique selling proposition in your messaging. Remain authentic and true to your freelance brand throughout your content. Continuously evaluate your branding approach for growth and improvement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.